Mag-ani,
continue.
magwanay kita na yun. Saka ma'am, mag-recruta naman yung sinong isa ko na magandang karapatan ko na. Kaya mo pa naman cheers. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to conduct private conference for 6 project. This is 2025 infra project. So we are conducting under IPA. So we are on live via YouTube. So before we will begin, we will have an attendance first by Ma'am Cherry.
Good morning, our attendants. Maria Cecilia Sidro, our Bank Chairman.
Present.
J. Lorente. Diego Sinidad, Bank Member. Marisol Ideal, Bank Member. Alvin Arizano, DWG Head. Daniel Aranyo, Member, DWG. Rosper Sablas. Al Aying. Chanilin Arisa. Marceli Elizalde, then for back secretariat, Emily Guzman, and your storage Cherry. From the planning and design section, Ryan Montenegro and Angelina Cuadrado.
Present. So thank you, Ma'am Chi. Out of 5 members who are present the back. So there's a quorum. So thank you for your attendance to the DWH Secretariat and also the online viewers. Like one viewers, Lord. Thank you. So, let me read the agenda of private conference. So, number 1, brief presentation, explanation by the map of the following. Basic contract data, including contract description, DBC, and duration. Then requirements of bidding documents, including instruction to bidders, general condition of contract, special condition of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. Then documents to be submitted by the bidders, the technical component of the bid, financial component of the bid, and criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, daily declaration of bids, and post-swap and award. Followed by question, comments from bidders, or city bidders, and replies back. Then other matters, then summary of proceedings, including supplemental or bid bulletin if there's any to be issued. So let us begin the first project for 2025. 25 units 001. construction of flood mitigation structure along Tandag River, Barangay San Agustin Sur, Tandag City, Surigao del Sur. EBC is 96,500,000 pesos. So, from the planning engineer Montenegro will present.
Good morning, everyone. For contract ID 25-00001, construction of flood mitigation structure along Tandag River, Barangay San Agustin Sur, Tandag City, Surigao del Sur. Appropriation of 100 million, ABC of 96,500,000, location at Barangay San Agustin Sur, Tandag City, Surigao del Sur. For the scope of works, we have first, facilities for the engineers, 3.21%, general requirements, 0.38%, earthworks, 2.80%, service and base course, 0.21%, service courses, 2.48%, other structures, 1.19%, finishing and other civil works, 0.16%, bank and slope protection work, 84%, drainage works, 5.56% for the total of 100%. Project length, 234.40 linear meters. Project scope, revetment. Contract duration of 304 calendar days. Date of bidding, October 28, 2024. For Part A, facilities for the engineers, and Part B, general requirements, item number, description, unit, and quantity are shown. For A1.1, construction of field office for the engineer, we have 1 unit field office, bunkhouse type. Note, we have 1 unit multifunction engine printer A3 and 1 unit laptop ultrabook for specialized application software use. For A1.2, provision of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineer on rental basis. Pickup 4x4 MIT Model 2 PD FTV in good running condition. For A1.25, operation and maintenance of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineers, fully operated basis. For B.51, project billboard and signboard, we have 1 unit 4 feet by 8 feet tarpaulin for DPWH and 1 unit 8 feet by 8 feet tarpaulin for COA. And here's the DPWH standard project billboard and COA. For B.1, B.71, occupational safety and health, we have 1 health personnel full-time, 1 safety practitioner, office full-time, materials, unit, and quantity are shown. Also for B.81, traffic management. For Part C, earthworks, Part D, surface and base course, Part E, surface courses, Part F, other structures, item number, description, unit, and quantity are shown. For Part D, finishing and other civil works, Part H, bank and slope protection works, Part I, drainage works, item number, description, unit, and quantity are shown. For the minimum equipment requirements, we have 4 dump truck, 1 vibro hammer, 2 transit mixer, 1 motor truck, 2 concrete mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 2 backhoe, 1 motorized road grader, and 1 vibrator roller, for the total of 15 number of equipment. For sand and gravel at Caracan River Quarry, San Juan, with an average hauling distance of 53.01 kilometers from the project site. For embankment, item 200 on boulders at Sutil River Quarry via Airport Mantaya with an average hauling distance of 9.21 kilometers from the project site. Here is the typical section of slope protection. Typical section slope protection with RCPC. Details of vehicles and partition works. Details of reinforcement. Typical section of steer. For plan and profile, beginning at station 0 plus 00 and at station 0 plus 234.4. End of presentation. Kung kapag may kung pasin kita natin sa website. Kasi ito lang natin sa website.
YouTube.
Oh, meron ko lang.
Ang CMPD ani,
Wala ko mamagay. Amoy ito tawag sa among si Richard, gagamitin sila kung nanilili. Amoy ito nila kung nag-present lang kung mga method.
ini one at least ang bibilitin ko may change
Oh,
change
ma'am.
yun. 21 naman.
Yan na yun. Kaya mo na yun.
Documents, no? From the DWG. Documents as presented. So sa kwan, sa MReview,
Malaman mo. Okay.
as posted and in the kwan. Wala. Okay. So next project. High question. Then sa Samaritan na sa employment na yan.
Add road grader and stronger.
Aad.
Oo, mami natin naman.
Okay na, lugar naman.
Natin naman bro.
Sa program o sa posted. Description for may kwan, bigwitin ko no. Description for kung sa kwan, item.
Kaniya po tanga din is buwan, Seawall. Dapat siya repeatment.
Ang NR? Ano yung sa'yo? Video ka pagili? Check na yun. Check. NR agreement. Double check. Wala pa. Original lang. May tawag lang ng karaan na. Pero kung yan, original sila pa may may mo sa talaga is nakakaroon. Coverage pa man sa kulang. pasok ang mga ano.
Yabi na rin.
Oh, ang mga panang as is lang pag-present, ibig-ulitin lang. Pasok lang po. Based sa third quarter na.
Yotro na yun ang pasok.
Okay. The next project, 25-002, construction of Seawall, Barangay, Balibadon, Cortes, Surigao del Sur. EBC, 19,600,000 pesos. So, Engineer Padrado, begin your presentation.
Good morning. For the project ID 25FH0002, construction of Seawall, Barangay Balibadon, Cortes, Surigao del Sur. The appropriation is 20 million and ABC 19,600,000. Location Cortes, Surigao del Sur. The scope of works are facilities for engineers 0.61%, general requirements 1.25%, earthworks 0.43%, drainage and slope protection works 9.46%, bank and slope protection works 88.25%, a total of 100%. For the project length, 150.80 meters. Project scope, Seawall. Contract duration, 188 calendar days. Date of bidding, October 28, 2024. For Part A, facilities for engineers. Part B, general requirements. The item numbers, the description, and the quantities are shown. For 8.1.13, construction of field office for the engineer, there is 1 unit field office backhouse type. For B.5, project billboard or signboard, 1 unit 4x8 tarpaulin for the DPWH and 1 unit 8x8 tarpaulin for COA. This is the DPWH standard project billboard and for the COA. Or B.7 to occupational safety and health program, 1 first aider and 1 part-time safety practitioner. For B.81 traffic management, the materials are shown. For Part C, earthworks, and Part D, drainage and slope protection structures, and Part G, back and slope protection structures. The item numbers, description, and the quantities are shown. Here are the minimum equipment requirements. There are 4 dump truck or models, 1 water truck, 1 transit mixer, 1 backhoe, 1 boom truck, and 1 cargo service truck. Total of 9. For the quarry source, sand and gravel will be at Caracan River Quarry with an average hauling distance of 42.29 kilometers from the project site. And for the item 200 and common barrow will be at Hotel River Quarry via Amontay Road with an average hauling distance of 17.01 kilometers from the project site. Here is the typical section of seawall and the typical section of stairs. Here are the steel sheet pile details for GSP3. file. Show. Beginning of project will be station 118 and end of project will be 268.3.
Thank you.
That's all.
So, PWG na ikuan,
02.
may correction sa program against DPWH.
Tapos,
Ha?
wala.
Yeah, okay. Sa pag-permit man,
From our paper, we have increase of physical target content and spacing of theorems, plus paper hole of simple not below 20 meters. Edit technical details on plan. Source of holders must be sa Del River Quarry via Airport Montaya. Then recheck communication with schedule agreements. Check factors used.
okay na na siya. So, wala ikuan, ang na-check na nila. Ang correction na nila.
Changes of
Changes.
It's a price.
Na
Kaya
price.
factor.
Ang factor pinako.
Katong sa bago na.
26.
Pero ang factor na ito, bang change ang factor nila.
Okay, ito previous out of budget. Kaya sa factor niya na dito, ito niya mo prove lupa kung lain-lain na factor. Wala yung tagal.
Kaya lagi mo nang makuha na as per na itong sa federal government, ikaw na ito kay manood mo na sa filings na, no? So, makicheck. No? So, next, budget. So, why ibig bulletin mo sa 25.800 to? Wala, no? Wala, may? Karon? So, next, 25.803, Amontay Bridge. Bridge ID number B00729MN along SDCR. EBC is 3,088,960 pesos. So, engineer,
Init ma'am. Init version.
Barcelona.
Engineer Barcelona yung bigay niya sa mission.
Good morning everyone. For next project, Amontay Bridge. B00729MN along Surigao-Davao Coastal Road with contract ID number 25NH0003. Bidding date October 28, 2024. Appropriation 3,152,000 with an ABC of 3,088,960. Location Mariato, Surigao del Sur. Physical target 1 number of bridge. Project scope retrofitting or strengthening of permanent bridge, installation of carbon fiber shape and plate Belgian mattress, replacement of pavement markings, slope rehabilitation, and concrete paintings. Yeah, President. Wala ko pa-edit. Project duration 70
Calendar days.
calendar days.
Section yan, 70. So, nakuha ang tingog kayo po. Dili, 38.
38 sa iya po yung edit.
Scope of works, facilities for engineer 4.09%, general requirements 14.28%, earthworks 0.96%, sub-base works 0.62%, bridge construction 51.79%, bank and slope protection works 10.26%, miscellaneous structure 11.18%, material details 6.11%, total of 100%. Breakdown or construction of field office for the engineers, 1 unit field office bunkhouse type. For B.5, parenthesis 1, project billboard, we have 1 unit 4x8 DPWH tarpaulin, 1 unit of 8x8 COA tarpaulin. For B.7, parenthesis 1, occupational safety and health program, provision of the following 100 personnel full-time, 1 safety practitioner all-time. Name and specification, unit and quantity are shown. For waypoint parenthesis 1, traffic management, division of the following: 2 traffic controller, flagman and 2 unskilled worker part-time. Name and specification, unit and quantity are shown. For part A, facilities for the engineer, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. Part B, general requirements, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. Part C, earthworks, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. Part D, sub-base course, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. For Part A, bridge construction, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. For Part F, bank and slope protection works, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. Part G, miscellaneous structures, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. Part H, item material details, item number, description, unit and quantity are shown. For minimum requirements, backhoe 1, dump truck 1, concrete mixer 1, water truck pump 1 with a subtotal of 4. For plants, For plants, we have general plan, general elevation, and carbon fiber sheet plan, carbon fiber sheet elevation with a typical cross section, carbon fiber plate plan, carbon fiber sheet plate elevation, typical cross section, Orgavion matrix plan, abutment A and B, and detail of the Orgavion matrix, slope protection cross section detail, abutment A and B, solar strip light plan, sidewalk detail for solar light, flat detail, and back detail. And that's all.
Okay, thank you. Engineer Basilote. So, may question sa program administrative.
Ito basic teaching kay description na item 6 to po dahil lang yung sa na
Dahil sa program kaya sa video.
tanaw na isa DEO 6 at yung 16 ang
Item.
item number item description to for item number 6 to 4 6 to 4 solar fixed light
Note lang yan.
Ikot lang ba? I-check ba?
So, why kuan pagdagat si ang kuan may sama ni sa nagtatapuan nito. Sa sama ni
The procurement, change the project duration, remove item 3021A and 310 to 6.
So, siya kuan tawanan kuan no? Asphalt bitang
Asphalt.
Oo.
Remove pavement marking 6121.
Ang white, ang white. Dito na.
Then add black and white, that is
Sa pits, ay pits.
only pa.
to i-check. Sige lang. While waiting, proceed lang ka sa asin project.
Kuhan po kayo mo. Kanig sa 714 na item number. Kuha ni siya sa kuhan U60. Pero ako nag-release dan.
So na kayo revise?
Oo, na-revise.
So nag-i-bibilitin natin na project.
Oo. Wala ni siya sa kuhan U60. Pero na ako na-out po.
So mara, 740 lang.
Oo,
So na
740.
item.
Dalawang isip.
Nakabong na. Mara sa basis.
Maura isa na.
Sarap.
Amot lang ito.
Katungay na. Katungay na.
Solar.
Solar na.
Saktuhan gili lang.
Sakto ang sa kwan. Sa program lang. Sa'yo, program ang sa'yo. So, i-check na lang natin mo. 740 daw itong kwan. Katungay mo mo? Okay.
Ang 740 wala sa sa 60. Pero ito yung PCB. Hindi kaya naglusot sa PCB.
740. Wala daw sa U60.
Wala sa U60.
Wala. Pero yan, kita natin sa one intranet na buwan item number.
Hindi siya
Sa ng injection.
Wala siya. Appeal.
Bali nag-
Pwede
Wala
siya.
lang appeal sa DO60.
Okay.
Okay pa nga nito.
Ito nga lang
Wala
sa
siya. Pero nasa
lusot sa
kwan.
PCB.
Pag una
Nauna
ka
ko sa ila,
pag
sa
new
bali.
item.
Magtawag sila ng intranet case. Say, may mga bago na mga item na i-produce ang DO.
Oh, pag
Kaya
una item
wala
na.
sa-
So may tulong yan.
Oh.
Nauna man ang DO60, bago yan ang mga item na ilang mga bago.
Kasi kita mo sa
Intranet.
intranet.
Kuha na siya. Sa kanya siya,
Kung
740.
yan bago ng mga DO.
Injection.
Oo. Unahan na to.
Pero wala sa DO60.
Okay
Kaya sa
naman.
bago na, yung lusot sa PCB.
Okay lang kayo. Basta lang sa
Hindi ka sagot yung reklamo.
yung new item mo na.
Libitan.
Aldrin.
Hindi pa sagot namin yung may bawaan. Kaya once mami ko yung upa may bawaan.
O pa man, on
Item?
going. O pa man.
740.
Check na.
Dili sa
PCB.
Injection.
Itong isa. Itong 6.
Okay na. Okay ito. Sakto ito sa.
Ayaw.
Okay naman sa. Inya rin.
Program lang, Mike.
Program.
Kami ang program ang. So, mga item pa na kayo. Next project. Ako na to. 25.004 Buhisan Bridge B00704 MN along STCR BBC 7,252,000 pesos. May yung present engineer
Tarong na.
ha?
Tarong.
Tarong?
Araw.
Tarong. Ako sabi ko. Yung price. So please, Mr. Tarong, may you begin your presentation in this project. Thank you naman dahil.
Snivy.
Barangay is Buhisan Bridge. DEO 734 and along Surigao-Davao Coastal Road. Strengthening of permanent bridges. Contract ID number 25.800.
So ito may singo kay Layo ka. Si Aino yung sabi mo.
Billing date October to date 2024.
Ayun, masawa pa ba na kung hindi na ako ba?
Appropriation 7,400,000. EBCO 7,252,000. Location Barangay Buhisan, Agustin, Surigao del Sur. Physical target on the bridge. Project scope retrofitting strengthening of permanent bridges. Installation of carbon fiber sheet and plate on girders 1, 2, 3, and 4. Repair of concrete slope protection. Replacement of pavement markings and concrete buildings. Project duration 137 calendar days. Work facilities for engineer 1.89%. Mineral requirements 8.72%. Earthworks 7.8%. Bridge construction 71.81%. Bank and slope protection works 9.84%. Miscellaneous structures 0.86%. Total of 100%. Breakdown construction of field office for engineer 1 unit field office bank house type. 1 unit DPWH tarpaulin and 1 unit for tarpaulin. Occupational safety and health program provision the following: 1 health personnel and 1 safety practitioner. Materials for occupational safety. Traffic management provision the following: 2 traffic controller, tagman, and those unskilled worker part-time. Materials for traffic management. Item description unit quantity are shown for Part A. Facilities for the engineer. For Part B, in the requirements, item number description unit quantity are shown. For Part C, earthworks. For Part D, bridge construction. For Part E, bank and slope protection works. Part F, miscellaneous structure. Minimum equipment requirement. Number 1, cargo service truck, dump truck, backhoe, water truck pump, concrete mixer, concrete vibrator, truck mounted crane, cargo hammer. The total of 12 number of equipment. Sand and gravel,
Kaya pag sa DEO,
sand and gravel sa Karakan ng Buha, and boulders of our Boro sa Pupong. General plan, critical protection, department, and equation and quantities are shown. Carbon fiber sheet plan, cross-section and elevation shown. And also the quantities, backup quantification. Carbon fiber plate plan, typical cross-section and elevation plan are shown. Also the quantities. Quantities for slope protection, bridge abutment, and abutment plan, location map are shown. Typical section of slope protection, unit fall, and quantities for steel sheet files, and detail of steel sheet file GSP3 are shown.
Okay, Engineer Tarong. So, may correction sa review, state? Ha? Isang kuhan?
Anya items B.5 quantification. So, anya host 1
Item number lang. Correction.
quantity.
Quantity? Quantity? So, walay isa lang ka dito. Take note ang may pa. So, ang pusit ang may, pwede namin.
For R3 we have remote payment marking provide, and then the hard copy and presentation not consistent.
Dito lang. White lang. White ang wala. Dito lang.
Yaw po white mang sa corruption sa kilid. Yan yung hindi na parts mang pero sa bridge mang matanggal.
Ikaw sa mochil sa kusanan.
Okay. Next project. Units Construction 005 Construction Completion Building PB Covered Court Barangay Payasan Lianga Surigao del Sur EBC 4,950,000. Please begin your presentation, Engineer Tarong.
Good morning once again. Our next project is construction, completion of multi-purpose building with covered court Barangay Payasan, Lianga, Surigao del Sur.
Ano ito, project rin?
Contract ID number 25 units 0005.
Amontay Bridge.
Billing date on October 28, 2024.
Ayaw, yung pagbulo.
Appropriation 5 million. BBC of 4,950,000. Provision Barangay Payasan, Lianga, Surigao del Sur. Physical target 1 number 2. Project scope. Provision of steel covered court. Additional 2 spans. Addition of flooring is 50 cm from natural grade line. Then provision of electrical works and project duration 1 to 3 calendar days. Scope of work
123 na yun, nanay. 4 billion lang. Okay.
Scope of work, facilities for engineering 2.72%, general requirements 3.06%, earthworks 6.74%, plain and reinforced concrete works 36.7%, finishings and other civil works 7.41%, electrical works 0.14%, total of 100%. Breakdown, construction of field office for engineer, 1 unit, field office bunkhouse type. Project billboard 1 unit 4x8 build which tarpaulin and 1 unit COA tarpaulin. Provision of the following: 1 safety health practitioner and 1 health personnel. Materials shown. The item number, inscription, unit, quantity are shown for party is for the engineer. Part B, general requirements. Part C, earthworks. Part D, plain and reinforced concrete work. Part E, continuation of finishings and other civil works. Part F, electrical works. And Part G, plumbing works with line works. Minimum equipment requirement: 1 backhoe, dump truck, compactor, 1 bagging mixer, and 1 elevator. With a total of 5 number of equipments.
Nakapos ba ang mga nagsiran yung buwan? Yeah, wala no?
Kuhan nga isa,
Jordan.
1 bagger.
Dapat dili na.
Damo-damo pala kung bako. Isa-isa.
Ayan, masal ng plans. Bro, wala bro, kahit handa po sa plans na.
For plans, perspective, location map, site development plan, vicinity map will show. plan, front elevation, rear elevation, longitudinal section, cross section, roof plan, foundation plan, column footing detail, tiling detail, extend display detail are shown. Column footing detail, column for seat of 40 and column footing detail. Here we go. Wall footing detail, sticker column and wall footing detail. Footing to detail are shown. Roof framing plan. Bridge detail, dirt detail, division, full truss are shown. And also the connection of the detail. Artwork detail. Because little value connection of parties and secondary. Sanitary. Sun and stone train line plan, electrical lighting, power layout plan.
One bagger. Remove one bagger for injury victim. As part of
Balik tatong ako to, puso kwan, 20. Amontay sa ito nga, item number
7.
asi kwan,
720.
wala ko mo sa DEO 60 pero na bagong DEO. So okay na. Sulit na i-print. Ha? Ha?
Hindi ko sila pag-program. Kinakang tulong mo, kailangan ng mga tanong sa tulong ito sa buwan para din ng mga kontrang program.
Okay din naman din. Yaya ko yung mag-clone na yung kalinyang meter. Kaya yung
Hindi siya mapiktuhan na.
apektuhan.
Yang ini sih.
Tama din.
Ano yung man?
Di 0-0 kasi niya.
Zero
Ako
mga.
na, ako lagi. Gusto mo yung
Yung quantity na lamang.
Ito kung sila sa laptop naman.
Ito,
Walang sablangan. Quantity.
Hayop ang quantity.
Hindi na niya. Ay quantity niya mapektuhan kay kalinyang meter na sa iya po ay
Square meter. Square meter.
lamsa.
Lamsam. So, kabaw na silang naasas sa basta na-change sa kanila.
Instead na 740.1, kulihan na natin 4253. 4253. Pero
Then, ang iyang unit,
wala siya.
from
From lamsam.
ator, kilometer.
Wala siya kaya epoxy injection on truck. Kita-kita rin. Realize na fairly realize is so yan
Okay na. Pwede na nga. So, next project na ta. The last, siguro project na after procurement, gusto niya ay
So, provide access road, check number of columns and footing for
Amontay ba?
Supply naman. Architect, architect. Secure.
Okay, ito yung specific.
Ang post-date check mga manager. Okay, okay pa sila naman. Tapos, ang muna kanina yung wala ko complete on stage. Ito may dito ang malisa. Wala naman complete on stage. Kaya mga tapos wala mapilang partition walls.
Group namin ang mga ganuan. Nakapagdaming set of correction last ba? Lugak sa mga. Oo,